Guess what we get? Wingstop, baby. Okay. So, it's your girl Butter, and welcome back. That's not my intro. I'm just saying welcome back. And we're here with my sister, and we're gonna eat Wingstop for you in the car. Today was a long day for the girl. It was a long day. So I have spilling shit. I got celery because I can't really do fries, but I'll eat some of Jada's fries. And then I got small, so I got 6 pieces. I got 3 original hot, and I got 3 Louisiana rub, all flats. Well done.
And I got the 6-piece lemon pepper and Louisiana rub, all flats. Well done.
I got ranch.
And fries. I got fries. She told y'all that.
And you like to put Cajun? You like to dip your lemon pepper in Cajun sauce?
It's bomb. It's fire.
This is blowing me. Oh wow. Careful. Good. I want to see you eat the food.
Sorry, y'all.
The lighting sucks, but every lighting in all my videos suck right now. Soon come. So I'm gonna fuck with the Louisiana first. This don't seem well done to me, but okay.
Oh God. What's this thing?
We gonna see. Anyway, so today I had an interview. It went good. Went really good. Hope to hear back from them real soon. I was in traffic for 2 hours after.
What time did you get there?
I got there too.
Oh.
I left at 1 something. No, I got there early. My interview wasn't until 2:30.
It's far long.
Yeah.
You guys hired me both.
So, we both have to work this weekend at Forever. I think I updated y'all, but I ended up not quitting. Wingstop Ranch is undefeated.
Oh God. It's so fire.
And Red Robin Ranch is the same. That shit good as fuck. And apparently it's Hidden Valley. But I think it's the way that they chill it.
This Louisiana rub don't have no sauce on it.
Let me see. It's dry. It's a dry rub.
I know, but I need more.
Okay. The cooks could have did a better job today, but
Yeah, when she chew, you really can hear it.
Yeah. Even with my mouth closed.
That's how I mean.
I know, but I'm saying like people used to. They used to be like, "Can you chew with your mouth closed?" I'm like, I am. Chips. I used to be insecure about eating chips in front of people.
What?
Yeah, because you can hear me crunching.
That's for all chips though.
Some people can put chips in their mouth and you hear shit.
You got a point.
I don't know if it's my teeth or what. My mouth is this echo stage. I don't know. I'm excited for this original hot. I ain't had that in a minute. You know that's how you be getting full fast?
Are you drinking my drink?
When you drink and eat at the same time. Some juice.
You got a point.
What?
What you just said.
What did I say? I forgot.
I get full fast when I drink and eat.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. The flavors that I used to get was garlic parmesan and lemon pepper, but I can't eat it unless it's cold. You know. But Louisiana rubber is my favorite.
My fries is almost gone.
I still have some that I took from you.
I'm supposed to be going to this like cake back this weekend. But it's in like Hollywood.
On Saturday?
I only work 2 to 6. That's like 4 hours.
Yeah. Why the fuck they not putting us on the same schedule?
I gotta get food for Riley's birthday.
When is it?
January 9th. Wait. I hope I'm not lying. I hope that's the right time. I mean, right day. Sure. I could be wrong.
Isn't Lake and Dew on the 8th?
Fuck. I just thought about that. I'm supposed to be there.
Our niece is coming.
It's January 10th.
That's a hard one.
Okay, I said on Twitter,
Mm-hmm.
hey, what y'all think North Korea giving us for Christmas? Like, I'm getting scared. Because did you see on the news
What?
that Trump was with the president of North Korea, or whoever it is, and it said, let me just show you the thing. President.
North Korea warns U.S. to prepare for Christmas gift, but no one's sure what to expect.
And then let me go to the thing on Twitter.
Confusion. The fuck does that mean? A gift?
And somebody gonna say a mistletoe. That's what they said under my tweet. I'm like, a mistletoe? Confusion? Cause I'm confused. How they gonna try and bow get us?
I think the fuck not.
I remember when I was in school, I didn't learn shit. I just had homework all the time. And my teachers barely even taught me anything. Like, they just would assign shit.
My favorite teacher passed away.
We had to take notes and shit. How?
She had a brain aneurysm.
Damn.
Right after she had she had just had a baby the year I met her.
Mm-hmm.
I think her baby was like 3 or 4.
When did you meet her?
In 9th grade.
Mm-hmm. And you're 28.
Yeah, she been gone for a minute.
So she was old, huh?
Oh.
Did y'all? But y'all, she just flipped her chicken out her hands.
I'm still gonna eat it. Well, yeah, she passed. Cause I would call up there to talk to her. And they would be transferring me to somebody and nobody would answer the phone. Then I finally called back one time. I was like, is Miss Thomas there? And they were like, who? We have a Miss Thomas. I said, she's an English teacher. They were like, oh, she passed away not too long ago. I said, what? I was like, damn, that was fucked up.
Yeah.
She was nice. She gave me a lot of chances. Because I had other shit going on in high school. That year. Not all high school, but
Yeah.
that year.
I used to leave school all the time. You didn't always be there.
Who used to leave school?
When you would call mom and tell her to come get you?
From where?
School? When you went to San Dimas?
No.
She said she used to pick you up early. Or mama called you, or somebody always called you. Somebody always called her about you.
Yeah, they would call her because they had me fucked up. Because my dad would text me in class. And I would respond because that's my fucking father.
You know, you was texting other people too.
Who was I texting? I ain't know nobody. The people I knew I went to school with.
Oh.
I wasn't texting nobody.
Or is there a lot of white kids at this school? Sorry, not to be racist.
Yeah, it was.
Or was it like mixed like my
It was
school?
a mixture.
Oh, okay, yeah. I like
It's
like
always been diverse in Cali. All the schools I went to in Cali.
Mine hasn't. Like my middle school, well, no, middle school was a lot. Better not have no fat on and I'm gonna kill you.
I feel you. Can't eat the fat. Mom love that shit. I'm like, girl, you tripping.
I be like, are you kidding me?
She grew up eating everything off the bone. That's them southerners for you. Them country folk.
I need a nigga at school pay to get my nails done, so I don't gotta pay for it.
That's it?
No, not what the hell. A lot of these niggas that I be talking to don't do a damn thing. So I don't want y'all. No. Not at all.
Not fucking with that.
Fuck with that shit.
Sorry, today is kind of boring.
What?
A vlog. Talking to them.
Oh.
I knew I had an interview today and I didn't get any content before I left for my interview, so we hopped in the car when I got home and make her do what they do, baby. I'm ready. I'm disappointed in these wings, bruh.
I'm screaming. For real.
Ugh. That just irritated me.
Tell them.
I am. They're gonna be like, did you eat them? Yeah, bitch. I did.
I barely ate mine. Shit. Take mine in. Like, what's that on it?
I'm gonna call corporate.
My shit have
In the words of Nikocado Avocado, I'm calling corporate. That nigga be having me dead, boy. I like watching him. My favorite mukbangers are Nikocado Avocado, Kimi, B Loves Life, Stephanie motherfucker Sue, Ben Dean. That's really it.
Sorry.
That's it. Cringe. Cringe as fuck. And just fuck with the rest of my celery.
No, I don't sing the song.
I want ice cream. I can't wait for y'all to meet my boyfriend. His goofy ass. I'm goofy, but he goofy. He gonna irritate me on camera. I already know.
Sorry, y'all.
Let's sign out.
I'm done eating.
Let's sign out.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Hold on.
You lying? Okay.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and just come back for what's tomorrow? Day 6. Today's day 5. Vlogmas. Vlogmas. She has to work tomorrow, and I have to go to my new hire stuff tomorrow for my other job. So
we'll probably vlog when we're off work, like when I'm off work and she.
Oh no, sweetie. I need to go to. We're gonna have a competition. We're gonna do a gingerbread house competition to see who's better.
Oh, we're doing it tomorrow?
I don't know. Maybe Sunday. I don't know. We're gonna do it though. So okay. I'm just getting y'all hyped up for that, and Mom's gonna judge who's better.
We should go to.
She's so biased.
If I get paid, can I give you gas to take me out there on Saturday? And you're coming, and I
have to work.
What time do you get off?
10, when they close.
Oh.
Or 11. I don't know.
I thought it was. I didn't know you was getting off that late.
I work 4 to close.
I'm gonna just take the train when I get off work.
Anyway. We will see you later. You wanna do it? You wanna do the hand or?
What are we supposed to be doing?
Oh my God. We're happy and we're living in the suburbs. I don't fuck with you. Period, poop.
The haters. We don't fuck with the haters. But we fuck with y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm eating, so until she signs out.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for the next video.
Jada, do this. Do that.